It's Wednesday, October 29th, and here's everything you may have missed in business and finance yesterday. The market was on a tear again yesterday. All three major U.S. indices closed at new all-time record highs for the third straight day. The rally was fueled by strong corporate earnings and massive news in the tech and AI space. On the tech side, Microsoft and Nvidia were huge movers. Microsoft hit a stunning $4 trillion market cap on the heels of new AI developments, and chip giant Nvidia continued its surge, announcing a $1 billion stake in Nokia as part of a new strategic partnership, which sent Nokia stock soaring up over 22%. Fun fact, my first cell phone in 2008 was a Nokia. It lit up on the side, it was very cool, and I am old. In other AI news, OpenAI completed its restructure into a more traditional corporate structure, which pushed Microsoft to become the second $4 trillion company. Earnings highlights from yesterday, we saw solid quarterly reports from major companies. UPS stock jumped 8% after beating profit and revenue expectations, and Sherwin-Williams and United Health also delivered better than expected results. Wayfair skyrocketed 23.22% after the online furniture retailer revealed a standout quarter, with tariffs taking a smaller bite of the business than feared. Corporate restructuring and layoffs due to AI seem to abound, but despite all these layoffs, the private sector still added over 14,000 jobs per week over the last month, according to early data from ADP. We are officially on watch as the Fed takes center stage today. The Federal Reserve kicked off its two-day policy meeting yesterday. The market is broadly expecting the central bank to announce another interest rate cut today, but all eyes and ears will be on Chairman Jerome Powell's commentary for future monetary policy hints. The 10-year Treasury yield held steady yesterday around 3.98%. Gold fell into correction territory yesterday, down around 10% since its all-time high on October 20th. Home prices rose in August, but at a slower pace than inflation, which means that homeowners are officially losing money. Yay. Geopolitical concerns, particularly around energy and trade, continue to be a factor. The recent US and UK sanctions on Russia's two largest oil companies are pushing oil prices higher and keeping the energy sector in focus. Hopes for progress on US-China trade tensions remain high as Trump and Xi are still set to meet later this week. This optimism has been a key driver of the market rally so far this week. The big headline today is the Federal Reserve's policy decision and statement. Expect potential market volatility this afternoon following that announcement. Also, keep an eye on those heavy-hitting tech earnings, including Alphabet, Google, and Meta platforms, which are due out today after the bell.